Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to create a Facebook feed in Mirror app and add it to a BigCommerce website. It's a simple way to bring fresh social content to your store without a complicated setup. Step 1, create your widget. Start by opening the Mirror app website. Sign up or log in if you already have an account. Choose Facebook feed from the widget options. Step 2, customize the design. Select the source you want to connect and go to the Design section to edit what you want to display on your website. Once your feed is connected, you can customize how it looks. Adjust the layout, card style, spacing, and other design settings to match your website. When everything looks right, click the Publish button and copy the installation code in just one click. Step 3, add it to BigCommerce. Open your BigCommerce store editor. Find the place on the page where you want the feed to appear. Then in the left panel, select HTML option and drag it to that area. Paste the Mirror app embed code you copied earlier into the HTML code window and click Save. Then, publish your changes to make the feed live on your website. Great! Your Facebook feed is now live on your BigCommerce website. For more information, visit our Help Center and explore the links in the description.